Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Cock and Ball strap by the Bonus collection. So let's get started. So this is the Cock and Ball strap itself. Now this here is shown in the size large, but it is also available in the size small and medium as well. So you can go for more pleasure and more intense experience when you wear this Cock and Ball strap. This sex toy is worn around the ball bag and penis and provides more pleasure. The cock ring just here blocks the blood so that the penis will be harder, and this means that the erection can also last a bit longer because the genitals are pinched. The ring is slightly stretchy for the perfect fit, and the material of the entire Cock and Ball strap is made of a soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel really comfortable during use as well. There are also adjustable straps just here, so it's really simple and easy to use, and you can determine how tight you want to go. It's very simple and easy to remove. And when using the Cock and Ball strap, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean your Cock and Ball strap after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. You can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Cock and Ball strap by the Bonus collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.